Good morning, class 5th. How are you? I hope you are fine. Class, this is your maths period. Take out your maths notebooks. Today we'll do a short revision of fractions, multiplication of fractions, okay? So you have to note down the questions in your notebook in a very neat and clean handwriting, okay? So I'm explaining you this worksheet, and after that you have to note down these questions in your notebook and solve it by yourself, okay? So question number 1 is, write the reciprocal of. You have to write the reciprocals of these two parts. Like 4 by 9, तो reciprocal क्या हो जाएगा? 9 upon 4. 16 upon 24, तो reciprocal क्या हो जाएगा? 24 upon 16. Okay, note down this question. Now question number 2, solve the following. You have to solve these two parts. First, 2 1 by 2 of 3 1 by 5. So firstly these are in mixed fractions, so you have to change it into an improper fraction. Means 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5 by 2. In the place of we'll put a multiplication sign, and then 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16 upon 5. So 5 by 2 multiply by 16 upon 5. Then multiply it. Similarly, you have to do part B. Firstly, you have to change it into an improper fraction, and then you have to solve it. Okay, note down question number 2. Now question number 3. A rectangle measures 6 4 upon 5 centimeter by 8 upon 17 centimeter. Find its area. एक रेक्टेंगल की मेजरमेंट क्या है? 6 4 upon 5 सेंटीमीटर बाय 8 upon 17 सेंटीमीटर. एक इसकी लेंथ है, एक इसकी ब्रेथ है. नाउ firstly you have to change this into an improper fraction. This is in mixed fraction right now, and after that you have to find its area. What is the area of rectangle? What is the area of rectangle? Tell me. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. So then you will multiply both the numbers. Okay. Note down this question. Question number 4, multiply the fractions. So you have to multiply the fractions. These are simple fractions which you have to multiply, and you all know how to multiply fractions. So 1 upon 8 multiplied by 7 upon 12. 1 7s are 7 and 12 8s are 96. So 7 upon 96. Similarly, part B, this is in mixed fraction right now. So firstly you have to change it into an improper fraction and then multiply it. In the denominator of 6 there is nothing, so you will consider it as 1. Okay, so note down this question. Done. I hope you have completed noting down the questions. This is the worksheet which you have to solve. You can take a screenshot from here. Do your work in a very neat and clean handwriting, and after that send me your work through WhatsApp. Okay, class 5th? So that's all for today. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye.